Dear friends, good evening. Welcome to Coffee with Chowdhury. What is the point in meeting today? A very hot subject, a very hot, boiling subject, a burning subject, burning issue in the society. Really, where to start, how to start it. Nowadays, all are in fascination, and they are, they have a, we can't say addiction. They have something like pretending and, imitating others. So all are sending their children to America. All are, packing their kids to US. All are packing their children to other countries for some packages, thinking, oh, they will be better there, thinking they will be given all the high salary, handsome perks and all. Thinking something, hoping something, aiming something, and expecting more than what life has to offer. Everybody is sending, all parents are sending their children to US, to all countries for better packages, better living, for better developed and good growth and many things, many aspects. I don't know how to say, they are left as a single parent and they are left here in India as unattended, unnoticed, and lot of things they are missing. So all the single parents, especially singles, than the couples, they are not only missing their children, when they are stepping into old age, when they are stepping into the sunset of life, they are facing many issues, property hassles, property problems, and when children are not there. Recently, our friend is a very big doctor. His son is in USA. His wife expired, passed away, but he fell from the steps. And nobody is there to attend him, nobody is there to take him to the hospital in the right time, in the proper time. Being a big doctor, he missed all the medical care, appropriate, timely help. So, see, all parents are facing this. If single parents are there, their children cannot come again and again from other countries to take care of them. Money will not solve all the problems. So, keeping these aspects, these points in view, today we sat in a meeting and took many decisions. First of all, we want to take a big land and construct a beautiful caring house like Prem Nagar. There everybody will have their villa or a room or anything like their cottage. You remember Rajneeshpuram, Osho Rajneesh. So there everybody will be there to take care. Everybody will be there to share your problems. Everybody will be there to extend their support and encouragement. You are not left behind as a single parent. If you step out of the room, all your friends, colleagues will be there. And if you come out of the room and enter the hall and sit with a newspaper, we will have all our friends, classmates, colleagues who are also single. But still we can stay as a single parent and protect our privacy, save our prestige without losing our honor and without losing our single status. We can have so many people to take care of us because everybody will be having their own chamber, everybody will be having their own privacy and private chamber in which everything will be attached, kitchen, bathroom, everything. And there will be a dining hall which is common. If you don't like cooking, if you don't want to cook something in your kitchen, you can come out of the hall and go to the dining room and place your order. How is the idea? Tell me.